Genetically modified foods cause cancer, and I think you'll agree with me, there is a lot of sickness on the planet today. Increase hygiene, sanitation, and nutrition.
Did you know that your DNA is being attacked every day? These silent DNA damages are the culprits behind many dangerous diseases, including cancer. Barbara O'Neill has revealed 7 enemies lurking and destroying our genetic structure. However, don't worry too much. Our bodies have the ability to heal themselves. Let's explore how to protect your health.
The human body was designed to heal itself, and it will heal itself if you give it the right conditions.
You can imagine DNA as a detailed instruction manual containing all the information needed to build a complete body. From eye color, hair color, height and weight, to even susceptibility to diseases, everything is encoded in these tiny genetic sequences. The good news is that we can protect this precious blueprint through our daily diet. In addition to maintaining a healthy diet, taking care of the digestive system is equally important. Think of the digestive system as a barrier that protects the body from harmful agents. Barbara O'Neill will reveal 2 powerful herbs that can enhance gut health. But first, let's take a closer look at DNA.
And to understand how the human body heals itself, we need to go down to the smallest component, which is the cell. Right down in the middle of each cell is the DNA. The DNA is the genetic code. It's inside the nucleus. We are constantly being remade, and we're being remade according to the DNA. Did you know that our eye cells are remade every 1 to 2 days? The next quickest are the cells that line our gastrointestinal tract. They're remade every 3 to 5 days. We've got a new skin every month. We have new bones about every 3 months. We have a new liver about every 6 weeks. So we're constantly being remade. I think it takes approximately 2 years. After 2 years, we have a new body. This body is constantly being remade, and it's being remade according to the genetic code inside every cell of the body. Why is there damage in the DNA? Especially when you realize that there are enzymes that are constantly threading up and down those strands, and their role is to heal any glitches.
Our DNA, like a flawless blueprint, determines every characteristic and function of the body. However, when DNA is damaged, the body struggles to repair itself, leading to serious health issues, including cancer. According to Barbara O'Neill's research, there are 7 major factors that harm DNA. Fortunately, by eliminating or minimizing these factors, we can enhance the body's natural ability to heal. The first and most common cause is the deficiency of essential minerals in our daily diet. Mineral deficiencies not only impact overall health, but also reduce the body's ability to repair DNA, leaving us more susceptible to diseases.
Food makes up our DNA. Why is there damage in the DNA? Today, research is showing that 92% of DNA damage is caused by mineral deficiency. And the substance that glues these amino acid strands to the outside bands of the polysaccharides is minerals. And the food that is the highest in minerals is vegetables. And the vegetable that is the highest in minerals is your dark green leafy vegetables. What we have to do is have a look at how those vegetables are grown. But we're finding people today who are even eating a lot of fruits and vegetables and are finding out that they're mineral deficient, and it's because of the way that they're grown. But foods that are grown in the ground and eaten very quickly after they've been picked are very high in these basic things.
Dark green leafy vegetables are an abundant source of essential minerals such as iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These minerals play a crucial role in repairing DNA, boosting the immune system, and maintaining various bodily functions. Rich in antioxidants, dark green leafy vegetables help neutralize free radicals, protect cells from damage, and reduce the risk of disease. Adding these vegetables to your diet is a simple yet effective way to safeguard your health and prevent illnesses. The next cause is harmful chemicals.
Chemicals. It is estimated 30,000 new chemicals are introduced to mankind every year. Make a decision to become chemical-free. Go for organically grown fruits and vegetables as much as possible. One form of chemicals, not often seen as such, is drug therapy. Drugs never cure disease. They just change the form and location of the disease, and I'm referring to their side effects. Now, if someone's been on on, say, antidepressants or cortisone drugs for many years, I do caution you must not stop them straight away. It's important, if you are on any medication, to find someone who can work with you to show you alternatives and slowly come off them. It can be quite dangerous to stop them outright.
Genetically modifying chemicals pose a significant threat to human health and the environment. Understanding their mechanisms and harmful effects is essential to prevent and mitigate potential risks. Next, we explore genetically modified foods.
Genetically modified foods. Genetically modified foods cause cancer because genetically modified foods are a result of the DNA of two species being spliced together. What is known is the substances that are broken down in the body after eating genetically modified foods are not known in the body and have the ability to tamper and even damage our DNA.
Genetically modified foods are agricultural products whose DNA has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. This means scientists have transferred one or more genes from another organism, which could be bacteria, animals, or other plants, into the genome of crops or livestock. The third cause, electromagnetic fields.
Electromagnetic field excess. We are electrical people. We have a spark of electricity in every cell. Our nervous system specifically is our electrical system. Electromagnetic field has the ability to tamper or interfere with your electromagnetic field, causing damage at the cellular level, even at the DNA level. In humans, they are 10 hertz. That's the electromagnetic field in humans. And that's, I think it's 10 revolutions per second. And with huge power lines, you often get a 50 hertz, and it's well known to cause damage at the cellular level. The farmer knows that he cannot let his cattle graze under those huge towers because stillborns will be a result, even deformities in the little calves. Be very careful of the room that you're sleeping in. We spend a third of our life in that room. Be careful of any electrical equipment in your room. Don't charge your mobile phone in your bedroom, or your iPhone, iPad, iPod, computer, television. If you've got no choice, try and do it way over in the far corner. So always address where you're sleeping. Even where the head of your bed is, the wall. Make sure there's not the meter box the other side of the wall.
Although there is no definitive scientific evidence on the harmful effects of electromagnetic fields, minimizing exposure to them is a reasonable preventive measure. Keeping your sleeping space clean, airy, and limiting the use of electronic devices are good habits for maintaining health. The fourth cause, stimulants.
Stimulants. Stimulants have the ability to tamper with your DNA.
There are 4 common stimulants that are widely consumed.
One is sugar.
Consuming excessive sugar over a prolonged period can lead to diabetes. When you consume sugar, your blood sugar levels spike rapidly, forcing the pancreas to overwork to produce insulin. If this condition persists, the pancreas becomes overwhelmed and stops producing insulin, resulting in diabetes. Comparing sugar to addictive substances helps us better understand its power and impact on the body. The other 3 stimulants are caffeine, tobacco, and alcohol.
Caffeine interferes with the neurotransmitters in the brain. And when the neurotransmitters in the brain are being interfered with daily, every day, coffee, Coke, chocolate, then that couple can give birth to a baby who has a tendency or a susceptibility to mental illness because of the disruption in neurotransmitters that constantly happening begins to affect the DNA. Tobacco, it's well researched, not only the effect of the unborn baby when the woman smokes, but also the defective DNA that a woman gives through. Not only a woman, but of course the father also can give a defective DNA through to the child. Alcohol. Fetal alcohol syndrome is a condition that children can be born with to parents that drink 2 drinks a week. That's not very much, is it? There's a lot of information coming out more and more today on how damaging the alcohol is, not only to the cells of the human body, but how it affects the DNA.
Cause number 5, anger.
Anger. I have a book called Lessons from Water by a Japanese scientist, and he did a lot of research on water, and he found that when he shouted at the water, had heavy rock music, anger, violence, And then he'd look at the water under the microscope and the perfect forms would all be marred. And then he would do another experiment where he had classical music and love, joy, peace, even those words. What he found amazing was if he put the word hate on the jar that the water was, it marred them. If he put the word love on the jar where the water was, it didn't mar them at all. Interesting. And we are much water. We are 75% water from the neck down, 85% water from the neck up. And so when a person is constantly subjected to anger and violence, it can damage the cells to the point of even damaging the DNA.
Anger is a natural emotion, but if left unchecked, it can cause significant harm to your health. Learning how to manage your emotions is crucial for maintaining a healthy and happy life. The final cause is yeast.
Fungus. If you look in nature, you will see that fungus can splice into the DNA of many plants. The people that live in the mouldy house have to get out of the mouldy house. So the smoker has to stop smoking. Antibiotics should be used only as life-saving resorts.
To enable the body to heal itself, eliminating harmful factors is crucial. These include mineral deficiencies, exposure to toxic chemicals, consumption of genetically modified foods, living in environments with high electromagnetic fields, and the overuse of stimulants like sugar, caffeine, tobacco, and alcohol. Additionally, managing anger and avoiding exposure to mold are key steps for maintaining health. According to Barbara O'Neill, gut health forms the foundation of the body's natural healing process. Gut microorganisms, particularly beneficial bacteria, act as vigilant defenders, protecting the intestinal lining, enhancing nutrient absorption, and preventing harmful agents from entering the body. By incorporating specific herbs, we can strengthen the gut's protective barrier, paving the way for a healthier, more energetic body. Let's dive deeper into the world of the gut. Our gut, often underestimated, is a bustling and complex ecosystem. Hidden within our body, billions of microorganisms work tirelessly to ensure smooth digestion and supply essential nutrients. The gut can be likened to an ecological garden, where various bacteria coexist and interact. To keep this garden lush and thriving, careful nurturing is essential. A simple yet effective way to care for gut health is to include a daily dose of probiotics. Probiotics are packed with beneficial bacteria that help balance the gut's microbiome, support digestion, and boost the immune system. The ideal time to take probiotics is about 30 minutes before breakfast, when the stomach is empty, allowing the beneficial bacteria to travel and adhere to the gut lining effectively. In addition to probiotics, natural herbs such as aloe vera and slippery elm play a vital role in nourishing and protecting the gut lining. Aloe vera, rich in gel-like compounds and digestive enzymes, soothes and heals the intestinal lining while providing essential hydration. Slippery elm, known for its mucilaginous properties, forms a protective layer, preventing harmful agents from penetrating and stimulating cell regeneration. To maintain a healthy digestive system, a combination of factors is required, including a balanced diet, a healthy lifestyle, and the use of digestive supportive products. By supplementing with probiotics and utilizing natural herbs, we contribute to building a solid foundation for overall health. Remember, a healthy gut is the key to a happy and healthy life. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest content. Thanks for watching.